Alright, here again. Part 7. Let's just get into it.
7 of 38. I mean, hopefully not 38.
No, it seems like there's few packs left for every 38.
Yeah, we can stretch to 38.
No. Alright, let's see here. No, you're not really worth much. Crawling Baron. Might be an okay card. Alright. Corset 2020. I actually don't remember if I ever actually opened the 2020 set.
34 cents.
Alright. Okay, never mind. I think I might have already opened this set before. Okay. Oh. Okay. Soren Impervious Bloodlord. Yeah, I was like, I don't know what else I know over there. I might need to sit over there for you. Press checking, yeah.
That's $27.71.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
like most of my, planeswalkers, apparently they're mythics, falling out here. Just gotta go up there.
Yeah.
Strixhaven. Geez, I don't know at this point. What are you thinking? Demonic Tutor, Phrase Protection.
It's Phrase Protection, definitely. You might even get a Dark Right in there.
Well, say Dark Ritual, I probably could actually, get, but. Okay, I don't know. Land down there. I don't know why I keep sticking the uncommon pile so close to the common one there. Quandrix Command. Oh. Really crafty companion. I actually know by now it's probably not worth too much. I think it's probably around like $5 range by this point. Shock. On that, and we get treasure token. Oh boy, treasures.
Yeah, it's $1.20. And it's almost above a tally.
Scars of Mirrodin.
They scarred the Mirrodin, man. Scarred the heck up out of it. I almost remember that. You keep fighting with it now.
There we go. Okay. Still infection. Okay. Copper mirror. Accusate. Sagrabute. Bloodshot Genie. Rusted Relic. Suspense Justice. And Razor Verge Thicket.
$5 and 87 cents for one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Non-sleeving range, but still respectable.
Okay, can be.
And we're doing another Dominaria. Why not? Alright. Dampening sphere. Better. Oh. Tertiary sorry. Nah, I've pulled them before. I think it's probably still one of them, unless it's like $1 or something like that. I'm like, Fate Reforged.
Reforge Fate.
Yeah, this one's just going to shreds. I'm pretty sure I've already specified one before. So there we go. Alright. Reach Chateau. Oh. Yeah, let's just get where it could be red. Flippity there. Literally just trying to pick up the pace because this has been so many videos. We're war shaman.
Oh, recording. It's like 1:14 in the morning.
War sparks. Alright. We're just gonna kind of fly through the commons a bit here. Here's our uncommons. Alright, we got Sarkhan the Masterless, followed by Foil Sarkhan the Masterless.
Okay, well.
So I just thought that was funny. Kaldheim set booster. Good. Huh? No.
36 cents. The other one's like 172.
So ultra viable, yeah.
Yay.
Send it spirit. Oop, wrong pile for that one. That was there. Token. Dragon's Maze. Alright. Boros Clustone. We just start going here. Get back in focus. There we go. Do. Sign of this. Yeah, my brain's a little too burnt out to be trying to read cards, apparently. Return to Ravnica. See, now watch. I'm probably gonna be like flying by some that someone's. Yeah, well, I'll be like, at some point, I feel I'm gonna like fly by some that someone's gonna be like, "Oh, why did you stop on that? It was like so valuable." Like, I don't know. Maybe because I'm like 150 fucking packs in. Oops, sorry for my language.
How dare you? That foul. I'll make sure he washes his mouth out with soap. I'll do it personally if need be. I mean, I did it a couple times when I was raised by sailors, so it's okay.
teleport tool. Search the city. And then center mountain. Ikoria.
This thing that came out of Ikoria was the Godzilla cards. I mean, who doesn't like Death Corona?
Alright.
I will always remember that set just for that card. Which I do have one of.
I do too.
You kind of had to.
All the cards stuck together.
Oh, that ain't good. I swear I didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna question that, cause, yeah. Triome.
That was one of the triomes. Yeah, it's probably worth something, then. I'll look it up.
I'm pretty sure the Mergent Ultimatum just kind of falls into one of those regular old kind of range kind of things. Yeah. Commander Legends.
It's like $18, $17.94.
Court of Grace. Okay. Yeah. Ultimate Masters. Let's go.
Court of Grace is like $281. And there's like 17 cents.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's worth a crap ton. Don't worry that guy.
Yeah.
Worth a huge
Doggone. Foil. Okay, and apparently this was backwards, but we're just gonna kind of go with it, I guess.
Yeah, just go with it.
Baron in reverse. Counter's Claw. Magma. Mystical Ripple. Phonetic Research. Oh.
$6.42.
That was reach. That was reach, right? Okay. Raid bombardment. Oh, okay. Cool. Gatecrash. Alright. Hands of Binding. Stomping Grounds. I could be wrong on that one, but I believe I'm correct. Just going with it and rolling forward.
1070.
Okay.
So we're worth sleeve.
hand on it, so screw
You
it.
put your hand on first. What you going?
Kaldheim Collector Booster.
Do it. We're doing speed run now. Your run's not very speedy so far. You seem to be failing a bit. Stupid pack open.
Alright. I'm down Drew. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all those off. Okay, I go down there.
You didn't get the Rainbow Bridge Lady. Yeah. This is one of the only ones that I can remember that was actually
Valkyrie.
Stop, Lily, lay down.
World Tree.
I like World Tree.
I wanted to be so tempted to be a smart aleck, you know, because I still want to be like, yeah, that deserves a sleeve. That's personal choice. Oh,
Lay down.
Urgon, God of Death.
World Tree's about $4.
Okay. And we got a Goldspan Dragon here. Borderless foil? I know the regular versions are worth like 25, so Guilds of Ravnica.
Oh, we're 46.74.
Nice. Invent.
I'm just going off the market price for all of them. I ain't doing listing price or that kind of shit. Just
Yeah.
general market value.
Ionize. Modern Horizons 2 set booster.
Oh, that showcase guy, that's like 17 cents.
Him.
Yeah, he's not foiled or anything, right?
No.
Just showcase? Yeah, he's 17 cents. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Not the foil would help him out any. If he was foiled, just go up to 24 cents. So the foil doesn't even help him.
Persisted. Don't know if you're actually worth that much.
I'll find out in this. The persist is 65 cents.
Time to strike it. But no, that's that Enchantress thing I was curious about.
Yeah, but I'm looking it up now.
Shadows over Innistrad.
$0.94.
Oh, okay. So I'm probably not thinking of the right one. Alright. This is density. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronunciate that.
Anyways, it'll be.
Do it anyways, huh? You pronounce. Oh, kidding.
Cacophobia?
Rouse of Ixalan.
That is a hard one to pronounce.
Neutralize.
long name. It's worth like nothing. It's worth 18 cents.
Ah.
We should have pronounced that kind of a word for 18 cents. How dare you?
There, Fleet Poisoner. Ah. I already know she's. If I'm not mistaken, she's only worth like 20 cents. You know.
Yeah, we'll find out in a minute here.
Yeah, you guys can just go up there. Matter of fact, we're just gonna scoot all these.
57.
Like so. Yeah.
Oh, the pack cache, well, the stacks have shrunk quite a lot.
Yeah.
It's always going down. Always a good thing, I suppose.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Grandmaster of Flowers.
Oh, well then, that is a good one. That's a dragon right there. Yeah,
I'm just gonna predict
Yeah.
a little bit here. I'm just gonna sit over there for a moment. Start saving. Go. Alright, Gord's falling over.
I bring up the right ones for whatever reason. Oh, well, that is $2.48. That is saddening, actually. That is,
Yeah, we're just
not gonna lie.
I remember it being greater.
Yeah, you know, I thought it was more.
Alright. Card 2013. Predatory Rampage. Dragons of Tarkir. Jumpstart. Just open.
This one said it was going to be good, for sure. Well back.
Well read.
Not with this one underneath it.
Well read. So that means it's gonna give me a heuristic study, right? I actually don't even know if that's a card in this.
I mean, it makes so.
You know, I put those in there. Okay, whatever. Anyways, Ormos. Alright, Kraken. Curiosity. Phase. Captures here. Land. Ixalan. Yeah, I was pretty sure that probably wouldn't work, Jack.
Making sense.
Yeah. Alright, Sunrise Seeker. Focusing. There we go. Do. Verdant Sun's Avatar. Ew, okay. New Kappa. Draft. Let's go. Widespread thievery. Mountain treasure. Barn of God. Of the gods.
That widespread thieves are like 14 cents. It's amazing.
Oh, boy.
It's a craton money. Metric craton.
Yeah. I actually realized when I was starting to home, I'm like, I need to stop that.
15th of a sandwich. Not even
15th. Add. Fate Reforged. Alright. Sandblind. Ah. Okay. Dormoka, that eternal. Modern Horizons 2. Draft booster. Oh. No. Damn thing. Don't do that. There we go.
Like 30 cents. Well, he's worth double the guy underneath him. I mean, hey, that works, right? Going up in value, not down, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah. Huh. Imperial Recruiter.
No.
I'm just gonna set you right there for a moment. And then we got Search of Premises. Boom.
Yeah, Iron Horizons 2 versions, $6.74.
So you just slide on over there. Throne of Eldraine.
Yeah, there's the Portal 3 Kings version, that's $214. Yeah.
Okay, that tells me a whole lot. Land. Nope. There we go. Or mine.
Oh, that's 16 cents.
Focus. There we go. Night. Spinning wheel. Dance of the Mints. With a foil. Well, pretty sure you're not going to be worth that much. Eldrith Moon. Hoping to just randomly open one of these packs, pull something really cool, and be like, okay, that's what I can end on.
Yeah, it's really making sense. Dance,
Alright. Prey upon. Come on, I need a really cool pool. Lost Wanderer. Don't matter. Just go there, that go there, that go there. Like, I realize technically there is like some packs in there that I probably could grab to probably pull something, but I'm starting to guess I'm at least gonna have one more short video after this. Well, I mean, unless I want to make this one a little longer than the rest, but I don't know how many. That might not be the greatest idea.
Yeah, make another short one after this. Were you throwing away cards again? What did we tell you about that, man? Just because you're like, yeah, you garbage cards, you can throw them away, man. Hell, you don't want them, I'll take them. Somebody out there will like
not intentional. Just losing grip. Okay, that was just. Thought there was a special art. It wasn't. It just wanted to throw me off. You're an uncommon. Just because you're foil. Okay. Doing one last pack, and then I gotta call this for the next video.
$0.16. Alright.
Oh boy.
Unites the elves, yeah.
Come on, focus back in. Theros Beyond Death. Come on. Something good. I guess we'll just have to finish on that. Cool swampy goat token. That'll be it for me for this video. Hopefully see you in the last one to finish this all out. Peace.